Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a candlesticks pattern where we are going to make a intraday opportunity using a candlesticks pattern. So we are going to take a topic today, that is the candlestick, which is Harami, that gives you some intraday buy opportunity at lowest level and gives you sell opportunity at day high or highest level. That we are going to discuss in this video. If you are watching my video as a first time, kindly make subscribe my YouTube channel, get more update, and also press the bell icon, get the notification whenever we made a video. And if you want to open any trading account or a demat account, there the link which is provided in my description of this video. You can follow that link and you can also open a trading account with me and you can do with my help and you can do your trading. We are planning to do lot more in our intraday trading. So this is what the initial step we are taking right now, and we are making a live sessions on each market hours. In this video we are going to discuss about how we are going to trade using that Harami candlesticks, right? So on our live sessions, we are taking more Harami candlesticks pattern. So that indicator which is already provided, based on that indicator, we are doing some trades in our intraday. Most of the trades which gives you profit, some trades may hit our stop loss also. But while we are doing an intraday trade or even a positional trade, what are the trade you are doing? You must know the risk, what it is involved in the trading. While if you are going to take a position, you should know your exit point. That is what the risk exit point you should know. Until unless if you don't know the risk involved in the trade, you don't go and don't take a trade, right? So and after knowing the risk factor, if the risk is suitable, then you are going to take a trade, right? So let's come to the video now. So Harami candlesticks pattern. So here you check so a lot of candlesticks pattern. This indicator, it will tell you what are the candlesticks which forms at a uh, in a live market. It will plot what are the candlesticks which is forms. It will plot automatically, right? We will just look at that whether that is exact or not. So then we confirm that we are going to trade. Let's see here three outside pattern, engulfing pattern at here, and somewhere Harami pattern at this point, and three outside again, Harami engulfing, three outside. So the lot of candlesticks pattern, it is detecting and telling you with the automatic code, right? So first of all, we want to know what is Harami. Once you know about Harami, then only we can use the trading based on that Harami candle, right? So instead of explaining everything in Harami candle, so when the market is keep on moving up, so the first simple concept where we are going to take Harami candle. What is the use of Harami candle? So why we are going to use the Harami candle? Let take an example. When the market it started moving down intraday basis or even a positional basis, some point where the market is going to turn around or it started moving up. So previously, if market is moving upward, so we will find out any trade opportunity at highest level, right? That is what the reversal pattern. So the trend is going up, so we are expecting a reversal pattern, and also trend is started moving down at this point. So at the lowest level, we are going to find out any reversal at the bottom, right? So this is what the logic we are using the candlesticks pattern. So we will find out the reversal at highest level as well as the lowest level. Okay. So when if you got a trade where that lowest level as well as the highest level, so that should give you some good kind of return because we are buying at a bottom and selling at a top, right? So that is the concept we are using. So on this video, we are going to take that only Arami candlesticks pattern. Let's see. This is also showing Arami candlesticks patterns. Arami candlesticks pattern, it looks like inside candlesticks pattern. So bigger candle and the next one should be inside between previous candle. It looks like inside candle, but the importance of finding out Arami candle when at the top of the market or bottom of the market. Instead of talking more, let's show you how the Arami candlesticks patterns. Let's Google it, Arami, and we will go for images. So lot more you will get. So for example, if you see that this is what exact Arami pattern, right? So what, and if you check that this is looks like a inside bar also, like it is looking like inside bar as well as Arami. So what is the meaning of Arami? So it is looks like a inside bar. The previous candle should be denoting, or it is showing the previous trend. So the big red candle and then the new candle which forms a green candle. So this one, so what are the things which you have got at the big red candle which forms at a lower the trend, right? So when the market is started moving previously and the candle which forms a big red, and next day market opens gap up. This is what the close of previous day. Let have the example close of previous day, and now market just opened by gap from previous close, and it is not move closing below, and instead of closing that it is started moving up and closing inside between the open of the previous day. So that is what previous day open here. The high and close will settle in between the previous day open price, so high as well as close of this candle. So when if you find this kind of pattern at the bottom of the market or lowest level of the market, that should give you, so here so some kind of reversal at the lower level. So in this particular thing what we are expecting, so that close that is today's close is completely inside between open and close of the previous day, not high and low, right? So that is what important key. And two more factors which gives you some trade opportunity. And if market is moving up and up, right, it moving up and up, so and it forms a big green candle at the highest level followed by gap down, and it is ending with the negative candle. So that is again telling us bearish Arami. So where it is the reversal of the market from the highest level, it is more possible. So where we can go for a short. And how we can take the trade. So there will be two type of concept. Later I'm going to explain that also later in part. So let's see. So there is another image. If you look at that, this is what exact Harami candle. But if you check that on our candlestick scanner, this is also showing you Harami candle because it is taken the body of the candle, right? So the previous body is big red and next body inside between the previous day high and low. So that is why it is showing us Harami candle, right? So we are not going to take that Arami candle, right? We are not going to take this Arami candle because this is what not a good valid, right? You got it? So the low of this candle is broken at this point and recovered up. So it is not looks like a the candle what we are expecting, right? So but it is showing us a Arami candle based on the previous day's value, right? But exact candle it looks like this, then how it became working on a live market. Let's show you somewhere here also that is it's showing you some negative like that because that high it is over and above the previous day open. So it is moves more than that, but it is also looking like Arami. It is also showing us a Arami candle, right? Now, and how we can do the trade using Arami candle. So let's remember this is what Arami candle pattern. When you see this kind of pattern in a stock, that will give you such a good kind of intraday and positional trade. So if you want to check more of the candle patterns. So it looks like here also see bullish Arami and bearish Arami, whatever in here, it will give you the reversal at the end of the trending, right? So if it is uptrend, so we will find out a reversal at bearish Arami, and if it is downtrend, we are going to focus for a bullish Arami, right? And how we can take a trade based on that. So here is some point they are mentioning here. When you see that image, what they are showing you right now, when this is what a Harami candle, if you check all the images where the Harami candle is showing that candle which is inside between exactly the open and closing price, it is not moving below that. The high and low are inside between the previous day's candles open and close, not high, not low. So it is looks like uh, inside between, that is today's value, it is exactly inside between previous day open and close. That is what very important, right? So while we are checking with the candlesticks pattern on our intraday system, that gives a lot of Harami pattern, but we are selecting manually which is should be a good pattern, right? So this is on selling. So and how to take a entry. Let's show you. When most of the time people are trying to enter this candle, right? That is what one concept that I will discuss how the concept is working. Okay, so where we can try to take a entry at this point of this I is broken, so we will go for a entry with the day that is a previous day candle low as a stop loss, correct? But what I am showing you, when the market is crosses above these two candlesticks pattern, that time also we can go for a entry. So even that will be a more powerful breakout. Instead of the second candle high, so we don't go for an entry. So the two types we can trade. So how? So for example, we will take a buy at this point. So this candle high is around 301.6. Whenever it breaks, the next candle 301.6 and next candle 301. So we got an entry opportunity. It moves smaller, and this is what the stop loss of your trade 300, right? So what I'm discussing with you, when if you are taking a this kind of candlesticks pattern, so that will give you even more powerful pattern that market is going to reverse, correct? That Harami pattern which gives you how the market is going to be reversed at higher level and lower level. So if you now you understand what I'm discussing with you, on daily we are doing some trades, the Harami candlesticks pattern which forms at a higher level and lower level, that will give you good kind of return. Let's see, this will looks like somewhat good, but that high was little bit higher, but if it is inside between that, even this was a more powerful Harami candle. Let's look at here that open 299.5, this candle high is somewhere 302.8. The open is broken, but even it looks like a Harami candle. Here previously Harami candle. So when you find out the perfect Harami candle, so that will give you some great kind of opportunity in the market in intraday. So that I'm going to create, I'm going to explain you right now. So now you understand what we are discussing here. So clear idea where we are going to do the trade based on the Harami candle that gives you the buy opportunity at lower level and sell opportunity at higher level. So the two types of trade entry which we can focus. One is the high is broken about previous day, and also another opportunity which we are focusing, this whole high of the setup, the two candle setup high, we are going to focus for a buy, or we are going to buy at the second candle high. This is what a reversal pattern. Here we are going to sell as this as a stop loss, and here going to sell at this point and the same as my stop loss. But if I do that, how would we become the profitable trade? That I'm going to discuss on my next video. Just wait for my next video and follow that. And thanks for watching this video. We will check that as our second video. So this is what a part one, how we are going to use the Harami candlesticks pattern, right? Thank you for watching this video, and thanks for your time. And if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel and support us, and thanks for watching this video.